Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be picking a winner of the Diatone GT-M3. First of all, I want to thank everybody for entering. We have got 1,802 comments, so I'm going to copy the URL here and then use this YouTube random comment picker and paste this in here and then load comment. Now, I did read every single comment. I wasn't able to reply to them, but I really appreciate the guys that went to the effort in putting a nice comment there, so thank you for that. Okay, let's randomly pick a winner. Good luck to everyone. Okay, we have got a winner. The name is Terry Cannon, and let's take a look at the message. It says, thanks for the chance to win this super fast 3-inch. Thanks for the great content as well. Well, thank you, Terry, and you have got a brand new Diatone GT-M3 coming to you on the way. I just want to mention, you see where it says 0 likes? The likes, unfortunately, is not working on this website, but thank you to everyone who went and pressed like. It really helps me to break the YouTube algorithm, and it allows me to do more of these giveaways, so thank you for that. Okay, Terry, so what you need to do is you need to go to my YouTube page, which is youtube.com/TheAndyRC, and you need to press this icon here and send me a message. If you could give me your full name and address, your email address, and also your telephone number. Those last two are for tracking purposes, and you will get a brand new Diatone GT-M3. So congratulations, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.